Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I welcome you all to this popcorn wheel square, a beautiful motif. We have the popcorns in the center, enhancing the motif and giving a three-dimensional effect to it. So let us go about learning this pattern without any further delay. Let us go into the video immediately, friends. Make a magic ring. Into the ring we need to make a first popcorn. To make the first popcorn, either chain 3 and begin. Let us chain 3. It's counted as first double crochet. Make 4 more double crochets. It's a 5 DC popcorn. Now pull up this loop, leave it, remove the hook, insert your hook from the third chain of the first 3 chains. You have to pick up from under this and under this loop. So 2 chains are on top and the back bump is at the bottom end. So you have the back bump here, it's hidden. So pick up this loop and pull through the first. Your popcorn is done. Chain 3. Again a 5 DC popcorn. Complete the double crochet. Oh, 3 6, I have made 6. So chain 3 popcorn, totally we require 8 popcorns in the ring. Place 8 popcorns and get back. I shall also complete and get back. We've come to the end of the round here. I have placed 8 popcorns separated by 3 chain spaces. In the last popcorn and the first one, I'm going to chain 1 and make a half double crochet into that popcorn stage, so that I get the working into the center of this chain space. In this chain space, chain 3 counts as first double crochet and place another double crochet here. And into the next chain 3 space, place 9 double crochets. And in the next chain 3 space, 2 double crochets. So continue this pattern all around. I shall meet you where I placed my first stitch. So alternatingly 9 and 2, so that you get 4 corners of 9 double crochet corners. I have finished placing the last stitch here, 3 6 9. Now slip stitch to the first third chain of the first 3 chains that we did. and place a single crochet in the same stitch for the next round, one single crochet in the next, and one single crochet in the first 3 DCs of the 9 DC group. Skip the next DC, and in the middle DC make 1 half double crochet, four double crochets, sorry, and 1 half double crochet. To go over to this next side, skip the next double crochet, place 3 single crochets in each of the next 3, one single crochet each in the 2 DC group, and one single crochet each in the next 3 DCs of the 9 DC group. So the cornermost 3 DCs on either side of 9 DCs will have a single crochet on them. We will be skipping the 4th from the right side and 4th from the left side. In the middle make 1 half double crochet, 4 double crochets and 1 half double crochet, 4 double crochets, all in the middle DC. And place a half double crochet. Skip the next one and place 1 single crochet in each of the next 8 DCs. Then you will go over to the corner. So complete the stitches on the other 2 sides. I shall get back to you. I have placed my last single crochet here. Let us do the invisible join. So cut the yarn, pull it out. Now one and second single crochet from back to front, insert the hook, pull up this loop, and now this is the stitch where you completed your place. This is the last stitch you placed. Insert your hook from the back loop from bottom up, pick up this loop and pull through. Here we have done the invisible join. I will hide the yarn later. So this is our popcorn wheel square. First we made the popcorn wheel and then we made this into a square. It's a beautiful pattern and you can make it to any size that you like, customize the sizes also. Thank you friends for viewing this video. Hope you enjoyed this small effort of ours. If you happen to be the first time viewer of our Magic Needles site and videos, please do subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you will be notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Do like and share our videos to friends. Happy day. Have a great day. Bye for now. I shall meet you with the next pattern in the next video.